to open the power screen, the front door, this one. Then we need to remove this screw. Then we take it out. And this is the ADU, and here we have the lock. This is the lock inside. It will not come normally. It will not go down. So here we have one lock. You can push it down, and you can push it down. Now we can remove this one. Lose these two screws and remove it out. Then we can take out this connector. And also here we have the two screws, 1 and 2. We need to lose these screws. It will not come out, but we need to lose these screws. Here we already lose it, so no problem. We can lose this. Then this connector make sure remove. Now we can take this like this, lift it up, take towards your side, this side. Then you can take it out. Don't move inside, only this side you can diagonally take it out and take it outside. While you are keeping back, this is the resting arm, and you can keep it anywhere. Okay, so while fixing back, you can keep this one back. So you can keep this one back, and you can go inside. While fixing also, make sure it not touch any frame diagonally. And this is the 1, and this is the 2, and here 1, 2. These 4 will hold the transfer belt, and these are the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. All will sit there. So you need to make sure it will be sitting there. Diagonally you can keep it and sit it there, and slowly it can move it. I can sit it there. That's it. And this is the developer unit. Next up, you need to remove this connection. Then this is the screw, not this one. This is the screw. No need to remove totally. Just a little bit loose it. Then show this one. This is the plate. You can push this plate. See with the screwdriver you need to push this one. With the screwdriver, show it this side. So with the screwdriver you need to push this one, and this plate will come out. You can keep it. Then to remove the feature, the developer unit also same, like you need to take slowly diagonally outside, and you can go that side little. Make sure this was came out, and then you can take it out. And this is the mag roller. Don't touch this mag roller and don't make any damage. If any damage happen, we need to replace the entire developer unit. So while fixing it back, you can say keep 2 inside and keep this one inside, this hole. Once it's seated, then you can push it. And we can connect the connector, and see this hook should seat it in this hole. Here you have one hole, so the hook should seat it in a hole. So this spring should be straight. If it become like this, you will get the uneven density. So make this and push it. That's it. Now you can tighten this screw. All the developers are same, like open and remove.